Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to install your Metra 998206. This is for a single DIN for a 2003 to 2009 4Runner. My dash is already torn out. Yours should be at this state. It's not that hard to do. This is my 4Runner. Now, I'm just going to show you how to install the kit into it, just so you make sure you get it done properly. It's actually really easy, and the instructions lay it out pretty well, but just in case you don't have a set of instructions and you want to see it done visually, I'm going to show you. It's going to come with this pocket right here, so the pocket with the single DIN on top. You have an option to delete the pocket, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep the pocket. It's going to come with a set of these brackets, the long, weird brackets. You can just throw those out. You won't need them. These brackets, though, you will need, so keep both of these brackets. Now these brackets have a taper to them. They get wider here and narrower at this end, and they are going to slip onto this right here, and this C channel is going to mimic this right here, or it's going to follow that. So you're going to just slide it onto there, you're going to slide it forward, and you're going to see it lock in with these two locking tabs. Boom, that's a locking tab, that's a locking tab. Same with the other side. Slide it on, and both locking tabs, boom, they're going to click on. Now you can take this, stick it in here. Of course, don't forget to put your zinc fasteners back in there, and then the two right up here. And if you want to see what it looks like flushed up, this is what it looks like now. My trim's painted black, but so it'll look a little bit different in your truck, but it sits very flush with everything. It sets like kind of inlaid, I guess, not flush. It sets flush with the stock inlay, so it still is inlaid. But I'm using a single DIN floating touchscreen in here, so I'm going to link it down below. It's going to be an affiliate link, so I do get a commission if you click it, but you don't have to use mine. I just appreciate you watching the video. If it was helpful for you, you could use it, but totally up to you. Cost you the same either way. Have a great day. Bye.